The first part of our video will be the match detail. When we see about the match detail, the match will be held on 11th June 2021 at Sheikh Zayed Stadium, that is Abu Dhabi. Guys, this is the resumed season. Already some of the matches has been played, and the remaining matches has been resumed. PSL has been stopped due to corona pandemic, and now it has restarted, and the timing will be at 9:30 p.m. in our Indian Standard Time. When we see about the team preview, Islamabad United are at top of the table, that is at third position, whereas Quetta Gladiators are at bottom of the position. Islamabad have some good batting order like Colin Munro, Usman Khawaja, and they have some very good all-rounders like Shadab Khan, Fahim Ashraf, and they are a favorite also to win this league because they have very experienced as well as Finch hitters, so they are the favorites to one of the favorites to win this match. And now Gladiators are not at their peak form, but they are also having some good players. They also have Fab du Plessis, who has a tremendous record in this season of IPL. He has played for CSK and he has delivered very beautifully, so he can be a very good important pick for that team. As well as they have Sarfaraz Khan, their Pakistan's ex-captain, they have, and then Azam Khan in the middle order, so they can also very good team. But now they are at out of form, but they can also win this league, so you can make your teams according to that. When we see about the points table, Islamabad are at third position. They played 5 matches, they won 3 matches and lost 2 matches, and they have got 6 points, whereas Quetta Gladiators are at last position, bottom of the table. They played 5 matches and won only 1 match and lost 4 matches with 2 points. When we see about team news, Sadar Khan will lead the side for Islamabad. Usman Khawaja, Colin Munro and Rohil Nazir will be the best batsmen. These are the important batsmen from ISL, and Hassan Ali will lead the pace attack, followed by Fahim Ashraf, Iftikhar Ahmed, Ushan Talet, and skipper Shadab Khan will be their main all-rounders. When we see about Quetta Gladiators, Sarfaraz Khan will lead the team as well as he will wicket keep also, and Fab du Plessis, Usman Khan, Mohammad Nawaz, Sarfaraz Ahmed, they are very key players while batting, and Mohammad Nawaz is also a very good spinner and he is a capable all-rounder, so he is an important pick, you can try him also. And Mohammad Hussain and Zahid Mahmood will lead the pace attack. And when you see about the venue stat, as I told you earlier, Sheikh Zayed Stadium will help batsmen as well as bowler. It will be a very good neutral track, so you can try both batsmen and bowlers as well, so pick your teams according to that. It will be a very good neutral track, so we can expect a score about 160 on cards. When we see about the scoring pattern, below 150 11 times has been scored in T20 matches, and between 150 to 169 13 times runs has been scored, and between 170 to 189 6 times runs has been scored, and above 190 only 6 times scored. So we can expect a run between 150 to 169. So in this, if this score line comes, this will be a very good neutral track, so don't pick only batsmen or don't pick only bowlers. You pick your teams with batsmen as well as bowlers, so it will be very useful. And average score is 152 as I told. When we see about the average economic graph, leg break bowlers are getting very good help in this ground. They have an economy of 7 and they have an average at above 22 to 23. In T20 cricket, 23 average is a very good average, so you can must try leg break bowlers. And then after leg break, fast bowlers and medium pacers are getting very good help at this venue, so try to pick fast bowlers, medium pacers as well as leg break bowlers. And off break bowlers didn't get any help in this ground, so you can avoid that kind of bowlers. And when we see about outcomes of T20 matches at Sheikh Zayed Stadium, 63% of the matches has been won while batting second, whereas 37% of the matches has won while batting first. When we see about the weather report, there is no chances of rain, so we can expect a full match, and there is no chances of dew also, so this will be a very good match to watch. When we see about the playing 11, first we can see about Islamabad United. Usman Khawaja and Colin Munro will open the innings. Both are very experienced and highly talented players for their national team. Usman Khawaja and Colin Munro both are left-handed batsmen. That is the important point to note. And then if you see, Usman Khawaja is technically strong batsman, whereas Colin Munro is a hit or miss type player. If he hits on its day, he may score up to 100 or 100. He can score century also. But if he flops, he will get out between 20 to 30 runs. And then one down is played by Rahul Nazir. He is one of the best player I can say, and he is a upcoming talent. Guys, don't skip him in your team. He is one of the good player. He is technically very strong, so he can play the shots very well before the match. That is the first half of the PSL also he has played very good. That's the reason I am telling him particularly, so don't miss him. And two down is played by Shadab Khan. He is also very good captain, vice captain choice, because he is batting two down as well as he can bowl 4 overs, followed by Ushan Talat and Iftikhar Ahmed. Iftikhar Ahmed is a very good batsman as well as he can bowl some overs also. And then Asif Ali. There is one thing about Asif Ali. Asif Ali is a very destructive batsman. If top orders fails, you can try him. If he gets 4 to 5 over, you can get up to 30 to 40 runs in a quick session. So don't skip him in your teams. You can try him as a captain and vice captain in some of your GL teams, but don't try in your SL. And Fahim Ashraf will be their all-rounder. He is a very good capable all-rounder. And bowlers will be Hassan Ali, Fawad Ahmed and Mohammad Wasim Jr. Fawad Ahmed is a very good spinner and he is also in form, so you can try him also. When we see about Quetta Gladiators, Usman Khan and Fab du Plessis will open the innings. Usman Khan is in a decent form, whereas Fab du Plessis are in a tremendous form. He has played for CSK very well. He has scored more than 550s for CSK, and he can get that form in that PSL also, so you can try him also. And one down is played by Cameron Delport. Delport is a very good capable English batsman. He is one of the destructive batsmen. You can try him also. And two down is played by their captain as well as wicketkeeper Sarfraz Ahmed, and followed by Azam Khan and then Andre Russell. Russell is one of the best T20 player when it's come to intra T20 league, so you can try him as your captain and vice captain in your teams also. Followed by Mohammad Nawaz. As I told, Mohammad Nawaz is a very good spinning all-rounder. He can bat also, so you can try him. And then Zahid Mahmood, Mohammad Hussain will be their best bowlers. And Naseem Shah, otherwise Usman Khan Shinwari, may anyone can play from this too, but both are very good player. If they play, you can try him also. And then Australian pacer Jack Wildermuth. Actually, he is an all-rounder. He is not a pace bowler. He is a pretty good all-rounder. He can bat also, so you can try him also. When we see about head-to-head stat, totally 12 matches has been played, in which 5 matches has been won by Islamabad United, whereas 7 matches has been won by Quetta Gladiators. And while batting first, Islamabad has won 1 match and Quetta Gladiators have won 1 match, and the average score is 161 for Quetta Gladiators whereas 150 for Islamabad United. When batting second, 4 matches has been won by Islamabad United and 6 matches has been won by Quetta Gladiators. And when we see about safe captain, vice captain choices, Fab du Plessis, Andre Russell, Fahim Ashraf and Shadab Khan will be a very good captain, vice captain choices. When we see about differential pick, that is punt pick for your GL teams, Rohil Nazir, as I told, he is a very good capable batsman who can bat, and he will do the wicket keeping also, so he can get some points there also, so you can try him. And then Cameron Delport, Fawad Ahmed and Asif Ali. And guys, when we see about the match winner, Islamabad United are expected to win this match because they are top of the table and they are at a good form. Guys, now I'll give you a Dream 11 preview team, but it is not final. Our final team will be updated in our Telegram channel. You can join. In wicket keeping section, I'm picking 2 wicket keepers, Sarfraz Ahmed as well as Rohil Nazir. As I told, both are very good wicket keepers. And in batsmen, I'm picking 3 batsmen, Fab du Plessis, Colin Munro and then Cameron Delport. Guys, Delport is picked only by 13%, but he is a very good pick. You can try him also. And as I told, Asif Ali also you can try. And in all-rounder, I am going with 3 all-rounders, Andre Russell, Shadab Khan and then Fahim Ashraf. If you want, you can try Mohammad Nawaz also. And as I told, you can try Wildermuth also. He can bat as well as bowl. And in bowling section, I am picking 3 bowlers, Hassan Ali, and then I am picking Hussain, Mohammad Hussain, and then I am picking Zan Mahmood. all three are very good bowlers. If Naseem Shah plays, you can try him also. He is a very good player. And Fawad Ahmed will be a very good punt pick, but there is a credit issue, that's why I can't pick him, but he is a very good player. You can try him also. Guys, this will be my preview team. My captain will be Fab du Plessis, and my vice captain will be, as I told, Rohil Nazir. As I told, he is a very good capable batsman, wicket keeper, so you can try him also. If you want, you can try Shadab Khan also. He can bat as well as he can bowl, very good pick. And Andre Russell also you can try. Guys, if you like our video, please do subscribe and also press that bell icon so that you will get notification whenever we update a video. And from tomorrow you can get 2 videos per day, that is EuroLeague also starting from today. So join in our Telegram channel. I will post final football teams there. So, and don't forget to download Sportacy and Fanada. This will be a very useful app for you. Thanks for watching.